Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of the timber kind of locations in Heartopia. So if you're looking for just the normal, usual timber, you're just going to get it from any tree, basically, as you can see. If you want quality timber, you're going to go to the forest area and you'll see these like bigger trunks and you'll get the quality timber. To get the I think rare oak timber, it's different every single day. So today is here. I already got it, but it is at lot 12 today. It's going to move again tomorrow and you only get 3 per day. So that's where you can get the, hold on, what is it actually called? The roaming oak timber. Extremely rare timber gathered by rescuing oak who gets trapped by roots every day. And to get the rare timber, you're going to want to, there's no trees. Oh, there it is. I was like, there it is. It's these bigger ones, and you're able to then get the rare timber. Oh, yeah, there's rare, there's quality, and there's also the, just the timber. Sometimes you are able to get quality timbers from these trees, but you don't get as much as if you get it from the forest one, I think. I don't know. But yeah, that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.